Simba TV.
A bird is a warm-blooded, vertebrate animal belonging to the class Aves. Birds are characterized by several key features that distinguish them from other animals. Key characteristics of birds: feathers. All birds have feathers, which are unique to this class of animals. Feathers serve multiple functions, including flight, insulation, camouflage, and display for mating or communication. Wings. Most birds have wings, which are modified forelimbs. Wings enable flight in many bird species, although some birds, like ostriches and penguins, have wings adapted for other purposes, running and swimming, respectively. Beaks. Birds have beaks, or bills, instead of teeth. The shape and size of a bird's beak are adapted to its diet and feeding habits. For example, eagles have sharp, hooked beaks for tearing flesh, while hummingbirds have long, slender beaks for sipping nectar.